In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe from all those annoying emails in Gmail the easy way, so you can clean up your inbox and stop unwanted newsletters, promotions, and updates from filling up your account. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a crowded inbox, this tutorial will help you take back control in just a few simple steps. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Once Gmail loads, sign into the account where you want to manage your email subscriptions. After you're in your inbox, look for a promotional email or any subscription-based email that you no longer want to receive. These are usually newsletters, brand updates, deal alerts, or marketing messages. Open one of those emails and look near the sender name at the top of the message. Gmail often shows an unsubscribe option right there, which makes it much easier to stop future emails without searching through the entire message. Click unsubscribe. Gmail may ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and click Confirm Unsubscribe if prompted. Once you do that, the sender should be removed from your subscription list and future emails from that source should stop. Now, if you have more subscription emails in your inbox, repeat the same process for each one. Open the email, find the unsubscribe link near the sender name, confirm the request, and move on to the next sender. This is the simplest manual method for unsubscribing in Gmail, and while it does take a little time if you have lots of subscriptions, it's one of the safest ways to make sure you only remove the emails you actually want gone. A helpful tip is to start with the emails that show up most often or the ones you haven't opened in a long time. That way, you can quickly reduce inbox clutter and make Gmail easier to manage. You can also search your inbox for words like newsletter, subscribe, deal, or promo to find more subscription emails faster. The more you clean up now, the easier it will be to keep your inbox organized later. And remember, if you ever start receiving emails again from a sender you thought you unsubscribed from, you can repeat the same steps whenever needed. So that's how to unsubscribe from emails in Gmail, one by one, using Gmail's built-in unsubscribe option. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy Gmail guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.